Okay, show Daddy how you put that together.
together.
It's cute like that.
Okay.
And then go on there, and a fly go right here, and then go right here,
Okay.
and fly go
Right over there. There we go.
and a bird go here. And I can't fly out space. And we go here,
Okay.
and this one goes.
Which one?
We're gonna go here,
Okay.
and this one goes here, and this one goes here.
Okay. There you go.
And two goes right
Where's the little lady go?
here.
And hooray! Say hooray!
Away!
Hooray!
Hooray!
Good job.
I go get my Mr. Greenwood and lay him up on his hand.
Oh, Mr. Greenlee goes right there.
You can do it there.
There you go. Good job, Lizzie. All right, what are we gonna do now?
Have a pot.
Oh, I thought we were getting ready for bed,
Ready to
Lizzie.
Go to bed, Lizzie.
Wait. I have put a light.
All right, pour me 1 cup. Go get the teapot. Pour me a cup.
I have put a light here.
Okay, number 20. Can you get the teapot? Pour me a cup of tea. Okay, here, let me hold it. Pour a cup.
That's not the right sound, is it?
All right, try again. Let me see.
Now what is music time? It's the one for mommy.
All right, you pour it now.
More please. And more for mommy. Why, thank you.
Have a sip.
And your mommy.
All right.
And I drink that all.
You drink it all? Is it hot? Show mommy drinking it.
Let me see you drink it.
Let me see.
No, back up. Go over to Daddy and let me see how you drink it.
How do you drink it?
I put some more in it.
Now, does Daddy get to have a sip too?
I have put that sip.
Yeah, pour it one more. Okay. Let me see.
What about Daddy's sip?
Oh.
That's for Daddy.
I drinking it all.
But what about Daddy? He doesn't get any?
That's okay. All right. Time for bed. Okay.
All right, Livy. Tell Daddy good night. Give him his kiss and hug.
Hug, Libby, all right, clean up, and then hug and kiss. Hug and kiss, Libby.
I'm Mickey Mouse.
Okay, Libby, hug and kiss.
Okay, Livy. It's time. Go ahead and tell Daddy good night.
Yeah, Daddy.
Good night, Libby.
Daddy's here.
Good night, Mommy. Say good night. Wave good night. Good night, Mommy.
Can you wave?
Wave to Mommy.
Hi.
All right. See you later.